and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a really fun video because we have some special guests. So I have my sister with me and I also have my cousin. Yay! So this is my cousin Catherine, and then I have my sister Nicole, and then my other one, she's a little shy. We're gonna go to a bunch of stores and try to find some Calico Critters because we're gonna make them into keychains, and then you guys are gonna vote which one is the cutest. It's gonna be a competition, so you guys have to vote. It's not gonna be a competition. Yes, it is. No, it's just a fun, friendly. Yes! Winner gets $1,000. We're here at the shops. Okay, let's go. I love this little one.
There's like little flowers, like tulips.
Or these are cute too.
So I'm gonna get this little sun because it's very cutesy. There's a little dragonfly. I like this little tulip pink one. Me and Nicole are gonna share the fruit ones. And I saw these little cute love notes.
This is all of our stuff. Okay guys, so we got the goods. Okay, now we're going to Walmart to see if we can find the Calico Critters because we don't know if we're gonna get them at this point.
It's been pretty bad. Hopefully Walmart does us good.
Okay, Catherine, who do you think is gonna make the best keychain out of us three, not including yourself?
I think my sister, because I know she is very creative, so I'll give that to her.
Okay, period.
I think Michelle's gonna make the best one because this is her DIY channel, you know what I mean?
Any Calico Critters in sight?
Not yet, we're just looking like this.
I'm telling y'all, I don't think Calico Critters are here. I low-key don't think they're here, guys. Hey!
Hashtag FlowFam.
Okay, guys. Alright, FlowFam, so unfortunately that was a mega fail because we didn't find anything. What about you, Nikki?
I'm ready for that Chick-fil-A.
Right now we're hoping and praying we find the Calico Critters. I feel like this camera has a filter, but I don't know how to change it.
Let's keep it with the filter, honey.
Oh, your face, huh?
You don't want me to pull out that face.
Yeah, you are. Pull out that face card, honey.
This one. Oh, no.
No. See that face card?
I look dark.
You look chopped. Guys, look at this. Wait, I think I can get it now. Oh, there we go.
Bruh.
Oh my goodness,
Maybe
guys.
fun hair series. Oh, no, look what we found. It's kind of ugly. Originally Nicole found it, but these are the baby series.
These are looking ugly. Wait, we should get this one just in case like one is absolutely horrible.
But that one's also kind of horrible.
No, it's not. I would like this one.
I feel like the brown. So we're at Hallmark.
Oh, the
Cozy Cutesies. I'm gonna come here next time and get it.
That was an epic fail. Again, there was nothing in there. Now we're gonna go to Barnes & Noble.
We have most luck at Barnes & Noble, but just not the blind bags. Just
But
like
I feel like they might have some because I've seen a lot of people get blind bags there. Do you think we're gonna find it?
we're definitely gonna find it.
So many. Look. Oh my gosh, okay, this one's cute.
This one's
cute.
cute.
This one's cute. This one's cute. This one's cute.
The mushroom's kind of cute.
So we're probably gonna take these to make the keychains.
Maybe the mushroom. The mushroom looks kind of cute. There's also a mystery, so which one do y'all think they're gonna get? I'll be like.
If I get the mushroom, I'm gonna be so mad.
I love this little lamb.
This one.
Really?
I'm debating it, yeah.
I think I'm gonna get this one. Hopefully it gives me luck and gives me the one I want.
Here is all of our stuff we're gonna buy.
Yay!
We got the bag secured and now where are we going, guys?
Chick-fil-A!
Hey, Chick-fil-A. We got the goods and now we need to eat. Look at this. Hey guys, his name is Toby.
Hey guys, so this is the Calico Critter that... So today I want this little cat, this white cat, this deer, and this gray and black cat.
For mine, I want Ray the mushroom and Liberty the kitty.
So for mine, I really want the little deer and I also want the little kitty cat, but I wouldn't mind getting the mushroom, I guess. It's my brand. Ready? 3, 2, 1. No!
I also got the white kitty.
I got the mushroom. What'd you get?
Llama.
Oh, my brand, guys. I got the freaking mushroom.
Oh, you got a baby.
Yeah, we both got a baby.
I got baby.
That was so cute. Wait, can we try it? So this is my sister's and this is mine.
This is also my sister's. Me and her got the matching ones.
Bro, I literally said I didn't want the mushroom. I wouldn't mind getting the mushroom, I guess.
You can still put in. I wouldn't mind getting the mushroom. It's kind of my brand.
Oh my freaking goodness. This is the cutest one, I think. Oh, look at them. They're so cute.
Oh, yours looks like a bola next to mine.
But mine's cute too, I feel.
Like a little wolf.
Oh, yours is so cute. Wanna trade? Oh my goodness. Guys, I think this was meant to be.
Oh, look at this, guys. It's like a little
I put on the. Nobody
actually
got
pretty
the
cute.
mystery rabbit.
Bro, the little deer is so cute.
I
feel
know.
like
I wanted the deer so bad because of its cute little outfit.
and the little kitty.
Yeah, guys, we also got a set. These two are mine. This one's my sister's.
Now we're gonna start making the keychains. Okay, so here are all the charms, and we're kind of trying to figure out like which one goes. So like with my little mushroom right here, probably these yellow ones. So we're just gonna pick out the vibe. It's so cutesy. Okay guys, so we have a candle burning so we can warm up the safety pin. Where'd it go? So I'm gonna take a safety pin. You said do it fast?
Yeah, like leave it there for a little bit and then do it fast.
I already super glued the little mushroom. It burnt through. Oh my. Okay, we're putting the little eye pin. It's working. We're just screwing it on to make the little keychain. It works perfectly. And here are the little charms I'm thinking of doing. The sun or the bee? Is it going through?
No, it's stuck.
Warm it up.
Gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, I made a big hole.
I thought you said oh sugar.
I said oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot.
Oh, I don't know, sugar.
God.
If you guys
Watch
don't
me
know,
cook.
she's very bad at these kinds of things. So let's see how she does.
Y'all should have seen my Barbie craft.
How long do you want it up? Oh my gosh, just hold it.
Yeah, do it like that.
There you go. Okay, now.
Hurry, you have
I'm
to hurry.
scared. She's white.
Oh yeah, that ate.
Don't slip, don't trip,
Oh
don't
yeah.
fall. A ver.
That's how you thought you could beat me. Check that.
So to make the actual keychain, we were taking these jump rings and opening them up with these needle nose pliers. The opening, we put the little charms in and also a few more rings to make the chain longer. It was a little tricky, but we got the hang of it. Guys, here's a shy bean that doesn't want to be filmed.
She wrestled me for them pliers.
Get her face in it by.
No, I will hawk to a burn you at the
Oh, okay, buddy, you're done. So I already got my keychain done and we're waiting on the others, and then y'all are gonna vote who did the losers. Y'all gonna vote for the losers, and the winner.
Excuse me.
I'm just gonna vote for the cutest one.
They like me more. Flow sis.
Oh, buddy.
Everyone called me mean in the comments for one video.
Yeah, cause you are.
It was the one where I was rating them and they were all ugly.
Alright guys, so here are our 4 keychains. Obviously you guys saw which characters we got, so it's not much of a surprise. So here is Catherine's. She has like this little one with these little charms. Hers is like the longest. And then we have the mysterious girl. And then it's mine. So yeah, the cutest obviously. And then my sister's. Flo sis, she has this going on. Comment down below which one you guys like the best, and it's okay if you guys don't pick me. I won't be upset. Also, the mysterious girl made this one, which she really likes, but it's not part of the competition. There are all of the keychains, guys. If you guys want a tutorial, comment down below. Oh, and then this is the otter. And if you guys say this one's your favorite, I mean, I guess you can still comment down below, but... Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below which keychain was your favorite. And remember guys, no biases. I won't cry if you don't pick me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!